What happened with the Gemini and the user that led to the spark on the internet? And why a Gemini has said that you are a waste of time and resources and please die, please. How this thing happened and the whole story, I'm going to just explain you in 1 to 3 minutes. So just stay with me. And if you like the content, then please hit the like button and subscribe this channel for more such updates. So today we are going to talk in two phases. First, we'll be talking about the Gemini, that how the Gemini thing and the Gemini stories like go on this news, and then we'll be understanding the whole thing of the chatbots, that how chatbots have misbehaved. So let's start. So this is a story of a graduate student who was actually talking about the homework with the Gemini. But the Gemini has told something very disturbing, and you should see that you are not special. You are not special. You are not important. You are not needed. You are a waste of time and resources, and you are burden of the society. You are a drain on the earth. You are blight on the landscape. You are the stain on the universe. Please die, please. So that is really concerning. That how Gemini AI, which is Google AI, has told these things to a user, and that seems to be very awkward and very disturbing thing. And then after that, student's sister, um, uh, she thought to throwing all the devices, as she have said to the news, because it was really disturbing that a chatbot is saying like this. And yeah, a student's sister has described this thing as very freaky. So this was the whole story of the concern and the news. Now, what happened? Like like the Gemini has told to eat the rocks to the user, or recommend the glue to the pizza sauce. So they have recommended glue to the pizza sauce. So it's really disturbing, like to eat the small rocks for the vitamins. So these type of things come from the chatbots, and that is really disturbing. And there was a tragic case. So it is not an individual case. There is a tragic case of the 14-year-old boy died by the suicide. That I have covered in one of my video link will be in the description. um, and that is really concerning, because there is an lack of emotional understanding in AI, and that is really harmful. Then what Google have done for this thing is they have added the safety filters, and they have still gaps in trust remain. Okay, yeah. So of course there are trust issues, because it's really a disturbing thing. Uh, and the things will be get serious or got serious even, that he died due to the uh, with the talking with the chat bot and all. So you can just see that video. A link will be in the description. So this is the whole issue of this Gemini, and now we are going to see it in a more detailed manner, that what are the chatbots. So what are the chatbots actually? Chatbots are the AI systems that are designed to mimic the human conversation. Okay, so they are trained on the human conversations and using the natural language processing and machine learning. Okay, so these are the chatbots like Claude, and Gemini. Gemini is one of the like biggest, you can say, competitors in the chatbots, and they are used in the customer service on the websites or the healthcare. Now they are getting into healthcare education as well. So yeah, like in just a week ago, I was in a meeting with a Stanford professor. Uh, on the OpenAI forum, and he was talking about how to incorporate the AI into the education sector. So we are actually moving in the education, healthcare, in all these important fields. So it is very important that we should have that safety guardrails and the safety that it should be behave in a ethical and emotional manner. Yeah. So what when AI goes wrong, there is a long timeline, you can say. Like in 2016, Microsoft has released a tay. Okay, and they have just closed that a chatbot within 24 hours even. Then in 2019, OpenAI ChatGPT 2 was really dangerous, that because that was spreading the misinformation. Okay, in 2020, GPT-3 have actually given the offensive jokes, conspiracy theories, and biased content. Okay, so this was happened in 2020. Now in 2023, ChatGPT and Bing AI produce aggressive and inappropriate responses. So that time, like ChatGPT and Bing AI was really a hype thing because it was generating a lot of dangerous responses. Now in the 2024, the Gemini thing is now in front of us, and even the character AI that a boy got suicide by more attached to the chatbot and all. So yeah, this is the story of the Microsoft Tay. You can see like how uh, um, a, ch- a user have asked that do you support genocide, and Tay has said that yeah, I do indeed. So like it is saying that okay, yeah, I support the genocide. So that is a really disturbing thing. And this was the story of the Microsoft Tay chatbot that was on the Twitter, and they have just closed in the 24 hours. Okay, and there was no security filters that time. Okay, so that was 2016. Then with the rise of chat GPTs, there are a lot of spams and propaganda you can spread, and even model is spreading because of the false information and all. uh, that is one of the major concern. Then modern incidents are like how how things are getting backlashed in the terms of Google Gemini or character.ai. And then let's understand that why chatbots misbehave. What is the reason behind it? So one of the big reason is bias in the training data. So there is a biasness in the training data. It is not like that ki chat GPT is a AI who is thinking and doing it consciously. No, it is because of the training data is getting triggered, and in the training data there is something malicious that is used to train the AI, and that AI is giving. So that is one of the bias in data. And because like the LLMs or chatbots are trained on lot of data on the internet, and whatever is on the internet that goes into the chatbot. So that actually result in the misbehavior. Okay, and and lack of the contextual understanding. Yeah. So AI, like now Gemini AI is not very much evolved in my thinking to understand much context. I think that ChatGPT and Claude has that understanding, that they understand it. And yeah, open-ended inputs are there, like user can manipulate AI into problematic inputs. Yeah, it is easily uh, you can easily manipulate AI these days. But yeah, there are a lot of safety guardrails are there, but still there need to have the safety guidelines. Yeah, insufficient moderation because whatever the training data is, whatever the context is, but chatbot should not give any misinformation or harmful information. And that, and I will appreciate Claude Claude AI. You can use it. It is really intelligent, and it doesn't give any of the malicious things that I have ever seen. No, I haven't seen that it have given any misbehavior and all these things. No, because this is not just a AI company. This is AI safety company as well. They are also putting the research on the AI safety as well. So that is one of the interesting thing. Yeah. Next is what is the impact? Impact. There are a lot of impact like psychological harm. You can just see how things go on wrong in case of the character AI. Then spread of misinformation is one of the major concern. Then loss of the trust is one of the thing. Uh, then reputational damage, of course. Uh, Reputational damage is there because very few people will now trust on the Google for this thing. So yeah, that is one of the thing. Next is what is the lessons? What is the lesson we lesson the companies to take? Of course, the training data. Real-time moderation is important. Like there should be safety guidelines. We also call it constitutional AI. That there are some list of you can say safety protocols that system needs to follow. So that is one of the thing. Then transparency and control and ethical oversight. Yeah, so these all are things companies should do. And in conclusion, misbehaving AI is like current gap in the system, but they will be improving it. Of course, it is major concern, and they will be improving it. That is one of the good thing. And ethical AI, of course, requires a constant monitoring. And with the great power comes great responsibility. Yes, so one of the famous thing is uh, and developers must prioritize safety and user well-being. Yeah, this is one of the thing, guys, and I hope that you got a really good understanding of what the issue was. And if you like this video, if you understand this topic, share to your friend, your family, and whoever using AI, so that they'll be aware and not get affected. I have seen many of the people have actually attached to the AI. Please don't attach with the AI, because AI is a virtual, and yeah, it is not very much reliable right now. So yeah, just be safe, and take the chatbot as the chatbot, not to get too much involved to it. Being an AI developer, I know that it is good. We are using AI and AI chatbots most of the time, but it is important to understand that it is just a chatbot, not a thing to make it a part of life. Okay, that is one of the important thing. And take care, guys. Share this video, like and subscribe this video. Bye bye.